Okay, so here's our classwork / homework for today. I'm going to start with number 1. So this is a triangular prism. This is my base. I'm going to color the bottom part in yellow. So that's my base down at the bottom, and then I'm going to redraw the triangle here. If it helps you see the triangle better. This is a 6, this is an 8. So volume is area of the base times the height. The area of the triangle is 8 times 6 divided by 2. This is 48 divided by 2 is 24. So area of the base is 24 inches squared for area. And then to find volume, you're just going to multiply that with the height of the prism. So here's the second base. See how you have the yellow triangle on the bottom, the blue triangle on top. So the height connects the two of them. So connecting the two bases would be this 8 here. So volume equals 24 times 8. So I believe, let's see, 24 by 8, 192. So volume equals 192 inches cubed. Volume is always in units cubed. Okay, that was number 1. We're going to go down to number 3 next. So to give myself some space, I'm going to erase all this. Okay, so for number 3, this is going to be my base. I'm going to pick down here at the bottom. That's my base. So volume equals area of the base times the height. Area of that base, since it's 4 by 3, this is 4 times 3 over 2. This is 12 over 2, so the area of that yellow base is 6. My other base is way up here. Those are the two triangles. And then the height connects the two of them. So this is the height connecting the two bases. So the height is 7. So volume equals 6 times 7. Volume equals 42 kilometers cubed. Okay, here's number 5. It's a rectangular prism. I'm going to highlight the base down here that has dimensions 11 by 12, so that's my base down at the bottom. Volume is area of the base times the height. Multiplication. So the area of the base is just the 11 times 12. Okay, so 11 times 12, you can go off to the side. That's 132. So area of the base is 132. Okay, and now we just need the height of our prism. So here's the second height. I'm going to draw this one in blue. Whoopsie. So this is my second base floating over the yellow one. So the height just connects them. So this is the height, which is 5. So volume equals 132 times 5. 132 times 5 is 660. So volume equals 660 inches cubed. Okay, so for number 7, this one's a little bit different. My base is right over here in yellow. Okay, now the difference on this one is that on the other ones we had the right angle right here in the corner. This one we don't, so that's not where my right angle is. So we're going to find volume, which is area of the base times the height. So this is that yellow triangle on the bottom. This is 5, this is 12, and this is where the right angle is. So we're going to find the area of that one. So that's 5 times 12 divided by 2. I'm going to simplify here, that's 6. So area of the base is 5 times 6, which is 30. So area of the base is, 30. And then the height connects the two bases. So here's the other base floating on top. The height connects them. So the height is 11. So volume is 30 times 11. So I believe that is 330. And that's kilometers, kilometers cubed. Okay, so this will be our last one. We're working on number 8, and it's a trapezoid. So volume is area of the base times the height. Now the base on this one is this trapezoid here in the front. Okay, so if you don't remember, the formula for area of a trapezoid is the height. We add our two bases, base 1 plus base 2, and then we divide everything by 2. So looking over here on my trapezoid, these are the two bases, which is 6. This is another base, 3. And then the height connects those two blue bases, so that would be the 2.6. So I'm going to put all that in here. So that's 2.6, 6 plus 3, all over 2. This is 9. So 9 times 2.6, I'm going to do that off to the side. It's 54, that's 18. 22.4, so that's 22.4 divided by 2, which I believe is 11.2. So the area, the base is 11.2. Now we just need the height of the trapezoid. So I'm going to erase some of this work here. Give myself some space. So starting over here, we know that the volume equals area of the base times height. We found that the area of the base is 11.2. And then if we look back here, there's my other base, trapezoid, and then the height just connects those two. So this is the piece connecting them, which is 6. So volume equals 11.2 times 6. And I believe, let's see, just to be sure, 67.2. So volume equals 67.2. And those are miles cubed.